Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2003 Toyota Prado, stock number 6201. This ran from the 2nd 2003 to the 8th 2004. It has a 1G RFE V6 petrol engine backed by 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the 1G RFE V6 petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door, 1 dent. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack CD player. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster,